We obviously red day out there in the market. All right, Bitcoin dominance is making a pretty good run up here. All right, that within the next few days, that thing should be rolling back over, and these altcoins should start taking off again. Bitcoin has regained its wedge. Please go check my Bitcoin video out there. It talks about the Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin. They are huge. Everything, that's why you see these red days, Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin. Okay, so please check that video out. It's important. All right, you can see here, this is on the daily. From our swing low of this move here, okay, to the top, you can see a 618 pullback here. 618, 702, right through this area is normally right where you bounce. All right through here. 618, 702. It could start right here. Okay, that's normally your bounce area. That's where you're going to, your price is normally going to come to and then head back up, right? So looks like this correction's about over for Singularity Net. Okay, now let's take a look at some RSIs, the Relative Strength Index, because that tells a big story here. Let's get rid of this up here. All right, the Relative Strength Index, the daily oversold. It's at a 3 and an 8. The 12 is at an 11. It's bullish, and a 10 just turned back up. It's at 33 on the bottom down here, right? The 8 hour on the bottom, a 3 and a 10. It's at a 32 down here. It's low. It's oversold. The 4 hour turned bullish. Well, no, not quite. 17 and a 19, just about ready to. And your 1 hour is bullish. Okay, you got your weekly. The weekly is actually bearish, a 76 and an 86. That's why you see this this big pullback here. All right, hopefully this thing turns back up here. The monthly still bullish at a 51 and a 46. All right, so I believe Singularity Net here is about ready to bounce up here. Okay, I believe this correction is about done. It's pulled back here. Now it could come down to that 702 or 786 at roughly 24.6 to 26 cents, and your 618 is at 27 cents. All right, so I believe worst case scenario, you come down here to the 24.5 cents and bounce out of here. But all these RSIs are oversold. All right, you have your the weekly is the only one that's bearish. The monthly is still bullish. I believe that weekly is going to pull back up here. We haven't really come up to any point we should yet. Okay, we should at least come up to a 618 or 702 on this chart right here. All right, right up in this price range. So I still believe this thing is just a pullback here. All right. Probably looks like it might be a fourth wave pullback. Your fourth wave is normally your hardest and deepest pullback, and then your fifth wave up. Okay, and then we would have an ABC, and it would decide if it's going to go higher or retrace down. But I'm looking for 43 to 46 and a half cents out of this thing yet. So I believe this pullback's about over. Keep an eye on the areas I talked about, guys. Very important to watch here. That's the whole thing here. Let's get that off there. Let's get back to that daily. All right, right here would be your swing low of your wave. A lot of wicks in here, okay, but that's the one I'm using. That's the most solid one there. So watch them areas. Hit that 618. It's getting a nice bounce, but keep an eye on these price areas for a bounce, okay? I believe it's coming very, very soon. Looks like it's about over here. Thanks, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. Consider becoming a member. Got 64 members now. Shout out to you guys. I love you. Thanks a lot. I mean it. I really do. So let's go. Let's make a pile of money this bull run, everybody.